In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the month function in Google Sheets to extract the month from any date quickly and cleanly. Start by selecting a blank cell next to your date. If your dates are in column A, begin in the cell beside your first date. Now enter the formula equals month A2. This tells Google Sheets to take the date in that cell and return just the month portion. Press enter and you'll see a number appear. Each number represents a month, where 1 is January, 2 is February, and so on up to 12 for December. To apply this to the rest of your data, drag the fill handle down. Google Sheets will automatically extract the month for each row. If you want the month name instead of a number, you can use this formula equals text A2. This will return full names like January or February instead of numbers. Make sure your data is properly formatted as dates. If the function doesn't work, the values might be stored as plain text instead of real date values. That's it. You can now easily extract months from any dataset, making it much easier to group, filter, and analyze your data by month.